It is a Times Now exclusive. Our journalists on the ground in Bastar found 3 live grenades in the forest and in the course of our reportage informed authorities who then came and detonated the grenades. First an audacious attack, then a royal blunder, and now it takes Times Now to point out live grenades lying around in a sanitized area.
6 days ago, the Maoist bloodbath killed 27 people in the Darbagati sector of Bastar in Chhattisgarh. 4 days ago, this area was sanitized, but on Thursday, Times Now crew spotted live grenades less than 100 meters away from the attack site.
After Times Now alerted the security agencies about the 2 grenades which are here just a few hundred meters away from the actual spot where the attack actually took place, we are seeing that bomb disposal squad has been placed in the service. It will be defusing both these bombs here. You can see people from the bomb disposal squad here actually accessing the bomb, both the grenades. These are exclusive images coming to you only on Times Now.
And after Times Now crew pointed out the grenades, security forces were quick to act and detonate them.
You saw in these images, the bomb was immediately detonated. Times Now had alerted the security agencies about a grenade here. The first explosion just took place just a few seconds ago. There are 2 more grenades in this area. Now the agencies would move towards the next 2 areas.
Minutes later, the second grenade detonated.
Another explosion here at ground in Bastar. You can see the second explosion took place here on Times Now. These dramatic visuals coming to you. If Yogesh can pan and show you the exact location, Times Now had alerted the agencies just a few minutes ago that 2 grenades were found there and a third one further down here.
And then a few meters away, the third grenade detonated.
The NIA officials are on spot to investigate further. We can show you the NIA officials here in these pictures, along with the bomb disposal squad. And even as I speak right now, 2 bombs were exploded, and suddenly a dramatic development happening that the bomb disposal squad has actually seen another bomb, and they will be detonating it any moment now.
Hand grenades which we had recovered, we have done controlled explosion of that, and remnants of that have been seized. We have seized the remnants, and we are heading in a positive direction in our investigation.
First a cowardly attack, then a royal blunder. Now it took Times Now to point out live grenades lying around in the sanitized area in Bastar. There are more questions than answers from the government at the moment. Bureau Report, Times Now.